Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine and safe at home. Today, in this video, we will learn some more about multiplication. I have already explained about multiplication in detail in my previous videos. Link of that video is given in the description below. Here, we will learn how to multiply by 1, 2 and 3 digits. But before we start, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe it and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a video, it will directly notify you. So now with that said, let's start the video. Here our first example is 516 multiplied by 7. 7 6 are 42 where 4 goes up as a carryover, 2 comes down. 7 1 is 7 plus 4 gives you 11 where 1 goes up as a carryover, again 1 comes down. 7 5 is 35 plus 1 gives you 36. So we came to know that 516 multiplied by 7 gives you 3612. Now our next example is 3049 multiplied by 4. 4 9 is 36 where 3 goes up as a carryover, 6 comes down. 4 4 is 16 plus 3 gives you 19 where 1 goes up as a carryover, 9 comes down. 4 zeros are 0 plus 1 gives you 1. And finally 4 threes are 12. So 3049 multiplied by 4 gives you 12,190. Now we will see multiplications by 2 digits. And our first example is 474 multiplied by 35. So here 5 4s are 20 where 2 goes up as a carryover, 0 comes down. Then 5 7s are 35 plus 2 gives you 37 where again 3 goes up as a carryover, 7 comes down. Then 5 4s are 20 plus 3 gives you 23. Now we have finished this number multiplying by 5. Now we will see multiplying by 3. Before we start multiplying by 3, we always put cross over here. This cross indicates that by how many times we have finished multiplying. Till now we have finished by 1 digit, that is 5. So we put only 1 cross. Remember students, instead of cross you also can put 0 as well. So let's start multiplication. 3 4s are 12 where 1 goes up as a carryover, 2 comes down. Similarly 3 7s are 21 plus 1 gives you 22 where 2 goes up as a carryover, again 2 comes down. 3 4s are 12 plus 2 gives you 14. Now this is the answer. 1422 is the answer that you have got by multiplying 474 and 3. And 2370 is the answer that you got by multiplying 474 by 5. Now in order to get the answer multiplying 474 by 35, we need to add these two answers. So 0 plus cross means nothing, so 0 plus nothing gives you 0. 7 plus 2 gives you 9. 3 plus 2 gives you 5. 2 plus 4 gives you 6 and 1 plus nothing gives you 1. So students, we came to know that 474 multiplied by 35 is 16,590. Now let's see another example. And our next example is 9,605 multiplied by 69. So first we'll start multiplying by 9. 9 5s are 45 where 4 goes up as a carryover, 5 comes down. 9 zeros are 0 plus 4 gives you 4. 9 6 are 54 where 5 goes up as a carryover, 4 comes down. Now 9 9s are 81 plus 5 gives you 86. Now 86,445 is the answer that you got by multiplying 9,605 and 9. Now our next step is we should multiply by 6. But before we start multiplying by 6, we put cross again. So this cross again indicates that by how many times we have completed multiplying. Here we have completed by 1 times, that is we multiplied by 9. So let's start multiplying by 6. 6 5s are 30 where 3 goes up as a carryover, 0 comes down. 6 zeros are 0 plus 3 gives you 3. 6 6 are 36, where 3 goes up as a carryover, 6 comes down. And finally 6 9s are 54 plus 3 gives you 57. Now once again students, we need to add these two answers. So 5 plus nothing means 5. Then 4 plus 0 gives you 4. 4 plus 3 gives you 7. 6 plus 3 gives you 12, where 1 goes up as a carryover, 2 comes down. Then 8 plus 7 gives you 15, plus 1 gives you 16, where 1 goes up as a carryover, 6 comes down. And finally 5 plus 1 gives you 6. Finally we came to know that 9,605 multiplied by 69 gives you 6,62,745. Now let's see multiplications by 3 digits. Here 7 3s are 21, where 2 goes up as a carryover, 1 comes down. 7 4s are 28, plus 2 gives you 30, where 3 goes up as a carryover, 0 comes down. 7 1s are 7, plus 3 gives you 10. Now we have finished multiplying by 7. Now we'll start multiplying by 5. Again, before we start multiplying by 5, we put cross. 5 3s are 15, where 1 goes up as a carryover, 5 comes down. 5 4s are 20, plus 1 gives you 21, where 2 goes up as a carryover, 1 comes down. Similarly 5 1s are 5, plus 2 gives you 7. We have completed multiplying by 5 also. Now we'll start multiplying by 3. But before we start multiplying by 3, we put 2 crosses. Now why 2 crosses? Because we have completed by 1 digit and 2 digits. We have completed multiplying by 1 digit by 7 in first line and by 5 in second line. So we will put 2 crosses. So 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12, where 1 goes up as a carryover, 2 comes down. 3 1s are 3, plus 1 gives you 4. Now we will add all these answers. So while we add, 1 plus crosses means 1, 5 plus 0 plus cross means 5 only, 9 plus 1 gives you 10, where 1 goes up as a carryover, 0 comes down. Similarly 7 plus 1 gives you 8, plus 2 gives you 10, plus 1 gives you 11, where 1 goes up as a carryover and another 1 comes down. Similarly 4 plus 1 gives you 5. So students, 143 multiplied by 357 is 51,051. I hope you are understanding. Now we will see the next example, multiplying 4 digits by 3 digits, and that is 4,506 multiplied by 625. As usual, first of all we'll start multiplying by 5. 5 6 are 30, where 3 goes up as a carryover, 0 comes down. 5 zeros are 0, plus 3 gives you 3. 5 5s are 25, where 2 goes up as a carryover and 5 comes down. 5 4s are 20, plus 2 gives you 22. This is the answer that you have got by multiplying by 5. Our next step is we start multiplying by 2. Before we start multiplying, we put again cross. So 2 6 are 12, where 1 goes up as a carryover, 2 comes down. 2 zeros are 0, plus 1 gives you 1. 2 5s are 10, where 1 goes up as a carryover, 0 comes down. Similarly 2 4s are 8, plus 1 gives you 9. Now we'll start multiplying by 6. Before we start multiplying by 6, once again we put 2 crosses because we have completed multiplying by 2 digits and they are 2 and 5. So let's start multiplying by 6. 6 6 are 36, where 3 goes up as a carryover, 6 comes down. 6 zeros are 0, plus 3 gives you 3. 6 5s are 30, where 3 goes up as a carryover, 0 comes down. Finally 6 4s are 24, plus 3 gives you 27. Now we will add all these answers and we will get final answer. So 0 plus crosses means 0. 3 plus 2 gives you 5. 5 plus 1 plus 6 gives you 12, where 1 goes up as a carryover, 2 comes down. 3 plus 2 gives you 5, plus 1 gives you 6. 9 plus 2 plus 0 gives you 11, where 1 goes up as a carryover, another 1 comes down. 7 plus 1 gives you 8, and finally 2. So we came to know that 4,506 multiplied by 625 gives you 28,16,200. 250. I hope this video is very useful for you, and I also hope that now you are clear about multiplication by 1, 2 and 3 digits. If you like my video, don't forget to press the like button. If you have any queries, you can mention it in the comment section. Stay safe, stay strong. Bye bye.